This is a Basque cheesecake, one of the few recipes that actually taste good when it's burnt. All you need for this recipe is a mixer. With the flat beater attachment. Before you start making this recipe, you need to get your eggs at room temperature and your cream cheese. The amount of ingredients here is for a 12-inch, which is about 30 centimeters, round pan, about 2 inches deep, which is about 5 centimeters. For this pan, you will need 2 pounds of room temperature cream cheese, which is about 900 grams. To that, we're gonna add 1.5 cup of granulated sugar, which is about 300 grams. On a slow to a medium speed, mix all those ingredients together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your cream cheese and sugar has dissolved and looks something like this, it's time to add in the egg. While the machine is still mixing, add in 1 egg at a time. Once the egg is incorporated, it's time to add in the next. Six eggs in total. Followed by 2 cups of heavy cream, which is about 500 milliliters. A dash of vanilla extract, I hope you can see it here. We added a teaspoon of salt. Once everything is incorporated, it's time to stop and add in the flour. For the flour, we used all-purpose flour, about 1/3 of a cup, which is roughly 50 grams. All you need to do is sift it into the mixture. Back to the machine we go to continue mixing. Once that the flour is incorporated and mixed well, it's time to stop and turn our attention to the oven dish. Using a room temperature butter, cover the oven dish completely with butter, bottom and sides. Then cover with parchment paper. If you don't have large enough parchment paper, you can cut some extra parchment and cover the sides. Once your dish is completely covered with parchment paper, add in more butter. And now we are ready to pour in the batter. Into the oven it goes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, for 1 hour. During this 1 hour, the cake will inflate a lot. Don't worry about it. Once the hour is up, turn off the oven and let it sit for another hour. During this hour of rest, the cake will deflate. By this time, you should be cool enough to take out of the oven without the need for gloves. After the 1 hour of cooking and 1 hour of cooling down, this is the result. For this cake, it's preferably to serve it at room temperature or cold. Personally, I like to eat it cold, so I prepare this dish for the next day. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna try a piece. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the video with your friends.